In this video, we'll look at how Odoo helps with planning shifts for your employees and ensuring smooth scheduling. From the planning application in Odoo, we can create shifts based on employee availability and project needs. This makes it easy to manage resources efficiently. Now, using the Gantt view or the calendar view, you can assign shifts to employees and visualize their workload. So right now we can see that employee 1 is working on Monday from 1:30 to 5 p.m. and then employee 2 is also working from 1:30 to 5 p.m. So let's go ahead and edit it for employee 2. I'll I'll move it to 5:30, sorry, 5:30 to maybe 8:30. I'll save it. So now we can see that employee 2 is working from 5:30 to 8:30 on Monday. And for Tuesday, we have the shifts empty, so we can assign tasks to both employee 2, employee 1, or user 1 or user 2. So for Tuesday, I would be adding the shift for, say, user 2, and the role is auto-selected here, or I can select the role I have created like site visit, and maybe it is from 1 a.m. to 7 p.m. and I'll save this. With the sales order item, I can attach the project right here. I'll say it is for this task and save it. Now I know that user 1 is going for the site visit from 11:30 to 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Similarly, I can create a shift for user 2 from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and for this particular project and for site visit, and I'll save it. So now we have created a shift for user 2 also. So I know that user 2 is working 3 hours in the week, user 1 is 13 hours in this week. So I can assign them work accordingly. Now we have different views here, like we have the month view where I can see who is working where, and in week, if I want to extend this to even Tuesday, I can just drag it till Tuesday, and we can see that this is an open shift. So if the resource goes to the portal, he can assign it to himself, or even you can go and see that this one is the open shift and you can assign it to the user. Now this is for employee 1 to do, and similarly we can move the open shift from, or any other shift from, one day to another. So if we know that employee 2 is working Monday or will be on leave on Monday, so we can move his shift from Monday to Tuesday. Or if we know that he'll be on leave and we need the work to be done on Monday, we can just move it to Monday, but for user 1. And right now we can see these lines on the shift, which tells us that these shifts have not been published. We can publish it right from here. And if I publish these um, shifts, now we can see the lines are gone. The users will be notified about the shifts, their particular shifts. Now I can see if I click on this that this shift is for marketing and the allocated time is 15 hours, and also this one is for Monday and Tuesday. for one from 1:30 to 9:30 p.m. Now we have different views here. Like we have seen it by resource. Now we can see it by role. We can see for any undefined role if we have open shifts. For admin, we have open shift here, so somebody can come and grab it. For marketing, we have no open shifts. For employee one and user one, we have some shifts here. So this one is by role, and also we can see it by sales order. So we can see for our project what shifts are occupied and what are open, and we can schedule accordingly. So this is a planning application.